Got a dream? Thinking it's too late? Think again. Our special guest, Dr. Faith Thomas, Vice President and co founder of Choose Life International, will empower us with wisdom on turning dreams into reality at any stage of life. This Saturday, March 8th at 10 a.m., join us for an inspiring edition of Satideh Mawning runnings for International Women's Day on Inside the Zone. This week's topic, it's never too late. Pursuing your dreams at any stage of life. Pull out everyone and tune in live on Instagram at Lady D Denise Gomez, Facebook Inside the Zone, and on Facebook Lady D Denise Gomez, YouTube Inside the Zone with the Lady D. Join Sherns, Jackie Max, and yours truly, Lady D, for the right vibes, real talk, and life-changing insights. Set your reminders, spread the word, and don't miss this powerful conversation.